Is your partner always cold? Are you always going places and they're bringing a big bulky blanket to the movie theater, on an airplane, when you travel anywhere, and it doesn't actually keep them warm? This is what you want. This is the gravel blanket. It is so cool. It is very quickly becoming one of my favorite things that I take with me everywhere. You've got this huge blanket that fits in this tiny bag. Not only does it have pockets in the front for your hands, but it's got pockets in the bottom for your feet. So no matter where you are, you will be nice and warm. It even has little clips that can clip around you to help keep you nice and warm. Or you can flip it, wear it the other way, you can lay it all the way across, and it stores anywhere. You can keep it in your car, in your bag, anywhere you go. This is a gift that will keep her warm all year round. Go check it out.
I have had this terrible toiletry bag since I was like, I don't know, a 6th grader.
Oh my gosh, I'm so in love. This is the Explorer Max. Oh, is that magnet? That is magnetic. All these little compartments. And it came with this sleeve. Can't wait to organize it. I love it. It's so simple. It's the perfect size. It's got like cool little handles. Okay,